Say good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone.
What are we doing today?
Good morning, everybody.
What is today?
Wednesday.
The Wednesday before?
Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving.
Wow, I have not fixed my hair yet. So, today is the day before Thanksgiving, so we are going to be going and doing our errand running. We have all of our groceries and anything like that that we need, but we are going to be going and taking off some Goodwill donations and taking off the trash, and maybe the car wash. We'll have to wait and see if it's warm enough for the car wash to be open. But yeah, we're going to do a little bit of running around today. Is everybody excited?
Yay!
They're so excited. Is everybody excited?
Yay!
Hi. So, we just finished vacuuming out the truck. And it's a lot colder this morning than it was Monday when we were doing the yard. So, we just finished vacuuming it out. We're gonna get some dishes and laundry done while we're waiting for the dump to open. And then we're going to take trash off. But first, we are going to have breakfast. Don't put too much into where it spills. That's good. We're gonna have hot chocolate with pumpkin spice creamer and some oatmeal. Rebecca's having pumpkin oatmeal because why not? And we're gonna eat that. Is everybody happy we're having a warm oatmeal?
Yes.
All right. So now that breakfast is done, basically what we're doing for now before we leave for the day is the only two rooms that didn't get done were the kitchen and the toy room. The toy room they can do Friday. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I've been running. The toy room they can do Friday morning. The kitchen I really need done before Thanksgiving, so Madeline's focusing on it. The other two are helping me do what I call tidy up. So we're going back through the rooms that have already been deep cleaned and tidying them up real quick. I just finished with the bathroom. I'm working on getting my room done, and then I'm gonna help the others finish up the tidying up room, and then we're all gonna do the kitchen. And we've got like 2 hours, but I think we can get it done. We are almost finished with the whole house, including the kitchen. Madeline's been working so hard today on dishes. Rebecca and I have been working on cleaning the fireplace off. Sarah's been doing she's been our gopher today. Right? Gopher means we say, hey Sarah, go for this. She's not even gonna smile. Hi! So we're gonna have cheese dip for lunch with some chips and some sour cream. And we're gonna eat and probably head out to take some stuff off. So I still haven't had time to do my hair, but lunch has been had, and now we are ready to go to the dump, come back and get stuff to haul. So we got trash taken off, right?
Yes.
And then we got the donations taken off, right? All right, we got a few more errands to run for Dad, and then we're gonna go home and have dinner with Dad tonight. And today is Daddy's last day at work until Monday.
Car wash. We're gonna go to the fun car wash.
Maybe, we'll see. So we didn't get to go to the car wash because we just couldn't. But I'm thinking we might go somewhere else though. If you look up, what do you see?
Sunsphere?
Can you see all three of you in the camera right now?
Now we can. I turned it so we could see the Sunsphere.
Well, turn it towards you. Can you see all three of each other?
Yeah, that's about as best as we can get.
Okay, just leave it there for a minute. Make sure it's pointed towards all three of you and try to hold it steady.
I am. Rebecca, look at the camera. Rebecca, stop making faces at the camera. Hey guys!
Tunnel!
Tunnel!
Camera towards you.
Rebecca! We're in the tunnel! Just got back out of the tunnel. It used to be black in the camera. We're going to Fantasy of Trees!
Yes, we are.
Oh, thank you, Mom!
We are meeting Great Grandma at Fantasy of Trees. We've been doing really
I am
well
not
in
going to
school,
cry.
and we got the chores done, so we decided why not.
I am not going to cry this time.
You are crying.
I am crying too.
That's okay.
We're so happy. We're not crying because we're sad. We're happy, okay? People watching this video. Score.
So, surprise!
Yay!
Alright, you can turn it on.
Okay.